Welcome to the Lesson 3 of topic Sustainability in the Agri-Food Industry, DigiComp. In this lesson, we'll talk about digital content creation, with a special focus on its connection to sustainable agriculture. In this digital age, creating engaging and impactful content is crucial, especially when it comes to promoting sustainable farming practices. Today, we will explore how digital content creation can contribute to sustainable agriculture and the benefit it brings to farmers and the environment, paying particular attention to the competencies the Digital Competence Framework, DigiComp 2.0, provides for this field. In the digital landscape, content takes various forms such as text, images, audio, and video. Understanding digital content is crucial, especially in the context of sustainable agriculture, as it plays a pivotal role in raising awareness about environmentally friendly farming practices. It serves as a powerful tool to educate farmers, consumers, and the general public about sustainable farming methods, resource management, and the importance of preserving the environment. Through informative content, we can emphasize efficient water usage, soil conservation practices, and the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions in farming. Digital platforms provide a space to showcase sustainable farming success stories, innovative technologies, and research findings that demonstrate the positive impact of environmentally conscious practices. By disseminating this knowledge, digital content contributes to a more sustainable and resilient agriculture sector. In particular, digital content creation is a powerful tool in the realm of sustainable agriculture. It enables us to disseminate information widely, raise awareness about sustainable farming techniques, and inspire positive changes in agricultural practices. By leveraging the reach and accessibility of digital platforms, we can engage a diverse audience and contribute to the advancement of sustainable agriculture on a global scale. Digital content creation also brings numerous benefits to sustainable agriculture by facilitating knowledge sharing and providing access to innovative farming methods. By leveraging digital platforms, farmers can stay informed, learn from each other, and implement sustainable strategies on their farms. This exchange of knowledge contributes to the growth of a global network of sustainable farmers, fostering a collective effort towards a more resilient and environmentally friendly agricultural sector. DigiComp 2.0, the document we are making reference to, is made of 5 big containers of skills. In this lesson, we'll learn more about competencies required in the digital content creation section, and we'll try to understand how to facilitate our digital transition and improvement through the use of this framework. As we reflect on the competencies for digital content creation described in the DigiComp 2.0 framework, we see how these competencies align with the needs and challenges of creating digital content in the context of sustainable agriculture. By developing and honing these competencies, we can enhance the quality and impact of our digital content while promoting sustainable farming practices. The framework particularly makes reference to 4 pillars, namely developing, integrating, and re-elaborating digital content, copyright and licenses, and programming. Let's see them all in detail. The DigiComp 2.0 framework emphasizes the importance of developing digital content effectively. Developing digital content involves a range of competencies and skills that enable individuals to create engaging, informative, and impactful content. These include, first of all, defining objectives and target audience. In particular, being able to identify the purpose and objectives of the content creation and set clear goals, aligning the content with the desired outcomes. A second pillar regards the planning and structure of content, linked with the capability of organizing the content in a logical and coherent structure. Designing visually appealing and engaging content is fundamental as well, which means one should apply principles of graphic design, layout, and typography. Some other competencies are related to writing, editing, and incorporating feedback to improve and refine the content. Integrating and re-elaborating digital content means being able to modify, refine, and integrate new information and content into an existing body of knowledge and resources to create new, original, and relevant content and knowledge. Some central competencies are linked to integration, adaptation, modification, and enhancement of digital content, which imply evaluating the suitability and credibility of the content, modifying and refining content to enhance its quality, clarity, and relevance, and ensuring that the modified content respects copyright and intellectual property rights. DigiComp also underlines competencies related to the adaptation of the concept to suit different contexts, languages, or cultural backgrounds, and other skills linked to the integration of tools and continuous improvement. The DigiComp 2.0 framework highlights the importance of understanding copyright and licenses in the digital content creation process. Copyright and licenses govern the legal and ethical use of intellectual property, ensuring that creators' rights are protected and that content is used responsibly. Key competencies include, for instance, understanding the basic principles of copyright, including ownership rights and duration, understanding the different types of Creative Commons licenses and their specific terms, and properly attributing and citing sources when using copyrighted or open licensed content. Other considered competencies are related to the fair and ethical use of digital content. Programming is a fundamental digital competence that empowers individuals to create and manipulate software applications. By understanding programming concepts, developing problem-solving skills, gaining proficiency in programming languages, and embracing continuous learning, individuals can harness the powers of programming to build innovative digital solutions. Programming skills contribute to the development of technology, automation, and problem-solving in various domains, driving digital transformation and innovation. Fundamental skills we should consider are related to the knowledge of the syntax and grammar of programming languages, analyzing, testing, and refining codes for performance, and applying systematic approaches to troubleshoot and debug programs effectively. Digital content creation, combined with the competencies outlined in the DigiComp 2.0 framework, provides a powerful tool for promoting sustainable agriculture. By leveraging digital platforms, fostering collaboration, and showcasing success stories, we can raise awareness, inspire action, and drive positive change. Now that you know something more about DigiComp 2.2 and the competencies necessary to manage a digital environment, let's embrace the potential of digital content creation and the competencies outlined in the framework to build a more sustainable and resilient agricultural future. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you for your attention and have a good day.